The targeted individual of organized stalking is like a king to the perpetrators. Whenever they see the target, they drop everything and focus solely on harassing them. This story unfolds their bizarre obsession in a dark comedy format. The victim is the target of harassment, yet they become the most important figure in the perpetrator's lives. Within this strange paradox, we take a new look at the true nature of organized stalking. Shocking Tactics, a black comedy of organized stalking. Shocking Tactics: how construction workers, delivery riders, and couriers use organized stalking to isolate victims from their social circles. In a bustling city in Korea, under the neon lights and the hum of daily chaos, a peculiar thing happened. A man named Minjun found himself unwittingly crowned as the king of organized stalking. He was simply heading to his favorite cafe one afternoon when he felt the first inkling that something was dreadfully off. The construction workers across the street had all stopped working, standing in perfect unison like minions awaiting their master's command. For more in-depth analysis of this issue and possible countermeasures, please check out the blog post. You can find the details in the description box or the pinned comment. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to support our content.